Hi, I'm Rhoda Gordon of Sunflower Photo Solutions. Welcome to my YouTube channel at Dig Your Photos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So do you know that many households have boxes and bags and just frames of photos, albums strewn across their house? In the attic, in the basement, under beds, in the garage, not a good place, as well as maybe paying for storage facilities, housing them. And maybe you're one of the people who have that. Did you ever think of how we got here and what's the solution? Well, what is the solution? The solution is to pare down and organize that collection and then store it in archival safe storage containers and then back it up by digitizing it. Now, how did we get into this situation is a whole nother story, right? So part of it is, let's just even look in the last year. How many homes were sold in 2023? Over 4 million. That's 4 million households moving from one place to another. And what do? We move with our boxes and bags of photos. That creates stress. Then how many deaths were there last year? 2.9 million just in the US. So now we're also inheriting these boxes and bags of photos. Every day in the US, 10,000 people turn 65. Now, anybody who was around before 2005 has print photos from the original cameras. And then up until 2010, we were still printing out our photos even if you had a digital camera. So that is why there's all these print photos kind of going around in our orbit. But there is something you can do about it. And that is, like I said, to organize and pare down your collection and then protect it. And I think the best thing for you to do that is Dig Your Photos. It is the only DIY print photo organizing kit on the market. It easily takes you through the 4 steps of organizing your print photos through instruction cards and video support, and then it also provides you all the tools that a certified photo manager uses. Check it out. It makes a great gift, and it's a great family activity as well. Don't forget to like,